There are ways that you can make that man to bring out his end product without him being the one inside the Jerusalem ground. A hot ago. Yes. As a woman, sometimes showcase your power. Tell him that yes, God gave you the ability to make him to be in that mood. Hi everyone. Welcome to another juicy class. Still your lady. Today I want to tell you how you can handle your man, your husband, and he will bring out the end product. He will enjoy and see that yes, you as a woman, you knows how to do they do. How do you do this? When you as a woman want to handle your man, hold the microphone. Maybe example, you are the one that is in that mood and you want to turn him on. You want to make him to come and follow you, join you in that mood. What will you do? Tickle him. Tickle the cassava. You will see that the cassava is standing gidigba. When that cassava standing gidigba, madam, use your hand, move the bossa. Yes. When you remove it, hold that cassava. When you hold that cassava or the microphone, start singing, deep throating. When you start singing, or if you cannot sing inside very well, if you cannot sing inside very well, then what will you do? Tickle the ring. There is a place called ring in the cassava. There is a place called ring in the cassava. When you tickle the ring, you will see that that cassava will stand mighty front. That cassava will stand the gidigam. When that cassava start the gidigam, madam, that cassava will be doing bakam, 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 bakam. You know, when clock, your wall clock is tickling, 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 the clock will be tickling. That is how the cassava will be, you know, do as if you want to shoot, shoot. The vein will be like bakam, bakam, because you have put him in that mood. You see that ring that you stimulate, that ring that you touch, that is what put him in that mood. Then another one is, after seeing that the cassava is standing gidigba, madam, use your hand and push him a little bit. He will fall gidigba on top of the bed. Yes. Gradual process as a woman. You go, you know, and lie down on the bed beside him. Use the other hand, you know, touching the head like this and the ear. Okay, stimulus. Then use the other hand. Then use the other hand. Carry that cassava. You know, I'll be massaging the cassava. If you could know it can stand, then you can dance kelewa. Then you can start dancing. That is called kagir. You be on the top. There is a music that someone sing. Sit down top, sit down top, sit down top, sit down top. Then you sit down top and start dancing. Kelewa, 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 wa, wa, kelewa, kelewa, wa, 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 kelewa, kelewa. As you are kelewaring, because, you know, because the, what will I use now okay, let me use this, my handbag now. Okay, so the microphone is like this standing, and this is the kpekus. Okay, now you are dancing. Sit down top, sit down this bag now, I'm dancing with this bag. So the bag is like sit down top, kelewa, 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 wa, wa, dancing. You know that music now, like dance. You dance because the cassava is standing and you are sitting like this on top of the cassava and you are dancing this music dance. You whine, 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 whine. You dance, 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 dance. So when you do it, if you could know it, he will pour out the SPM end product. If you could know it, you have made him to be on top. Tomorrow he'll be wanting you more about. Do you know why? Because I've shown him that you have power as a woman. Yes, women has power. Women can do, they do. Women can handle. See you guys again in my next video. If you have any question, don't forget to share and do not forget to ask. Okay, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Okay, have a wonderful day. Bye for now.